In this video, you'll learn how to use WordPress with Ionos, starting from your Ionos account and getting into your WordPress dashboard quickly and easily. First, let's talk about what we're actually doing. When you create a WordPress site with Ionos, all of the hosting and installation is handled for you behind the scenes. That means you don't need to manually install WordPress or remember a separate WordPress username and password. Instead, you'll use your Ionos account as your main starting point, and from there, you'll jump straight into WordPress to edit your website. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Ionos login page. In the address bar, type the login address for Ionos and press enter. When the page loads, sign in with your usual Ionos account details. This is the same account you use to manage your domain names, hosting, and any other Ionos products. If you ever have trouble logging in, you can use the forgot password option on that page and follow the prompts to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Ionos dashboard. This is the central control panel where you manage everything related to your Ionos services. At the top or along the side, you'll see a main navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Websites and Stores. This is where Ionos groups all of your website projects, including any WordPress sites you've created. Click on Websites and Stores. After a moment, you'll see a list of your website projects. Each project is usually shown as a tile or card, often with the website name, the type of site, and sometimes a thumbnail preview. Among these tiles, find the one that corresponds to your WordPress project. If you have more than one website, double check the domain name or project title so you're opening the correct one. On your WordPress project tile, look for the option that says Edit Website. This button is your shortcut into WordPress. Go ahead and click Edit Website. Ionos will now automatically log you into your WordPress dashboard. You won't need to type a separate WordPress username or password because the system connects your Ionos account to your WordPress installation in the background. After a brief moment, your browser will switch to the WordPress admin area. This is sometimes called the dashboard. From here, you can create and edit pages, write blog posts, change your theme, install plugins, and adjust your site settings. If it's your first time inside WordPress, it can look a little overwhelming, but remember, you can't break anything permanently. You can always go back to your Ionos account and reopen the site if you get lost. A helpful tip is to bookmark the Ionos login page in your browser, since you'll use that as your gateway into WordPress each time. Also, when you're done working on your site, you can simply close the browser tab. The next time you want to make changes, repeat the same process. Log into Ionos, click Websites and Stores, find your WordPress project tile, and click Edit Website. That's all there is to it. By using the Ionos dashboard as your starting point, you get a simple, secure way to access WordPress and manage your website without juggling multiple logins or technical setup steps.